Good morning, everyone. It is March the 5th, 2020. The time is 7:40, what's 49, so let's say 7:50, okay? All right, here we go. This is your morning earthquake report. These are earthquakes that happened last night into this morning, and yes, I've gotten a few more, but I'll get those on the noon report. Here we go. There was a 3.8 Celebes C at 130.4 miles in depth. A 3.4 Nias region, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.4 Costa Rica, they've got that at 33.5 miles in depth. A 3.3 Tropica, Chile at 67.1 mile in depth. A 4.0 Oaxaca, Mexico at 20.5 miles in depth. There was a 3.3 Java, Indonesia at 10.5 miles in depth. A 4.4. Now, if USGS and EMSC agree totally, you're going to get only one, and that'll be the USGS. If they disagreed on anything, you'll get both links, okay? All right, there was a 4.4 Myanmar. They've got that 50 miles northwest of MYITKYIAN, Burma, at 6 miles in depth, all right? There was a 4.1 Veracruz, Mexico, at 81.4 miles in depth. Now, this one only came across on the GFZ. There was a 4.3, the Gulf of California. Let me repeat that since the buzzer went off. A 4.3, the Gulf of California. All right, only on the EMSC. There was 77 miles southeast of San Felipe at 6 miles in depth. There was a 4.6 Afghanistan-Tajikistan border region, They got it 30 miles southeast of Karakenja at 6 miles in depth. There was a 4.0 Oaxaca, Mexico. They've got that at 3.1 miles in depth. Now, EMSC and USGS agree on the magnitude. They just disagree on everything else. All right? There was a 4.8 according to the USGS, Tonga Islands region. They've got it 55 miles southwest of PANGAI at 22 miles in depth. EMSC said there was a 4.8 Tonga Islands region. They've got it 54 miles northeast of NUKUALOFA at 6.2 miles in depth. Both links will be in the description box. There was a 3.4 Virgin Islands region. They've got it 60 miles north of Roadtown. Virgin Islands, they've got it at 36.6 miles in depth. A 4.4 Eastern Mediterranean Sea. They've got that at 37.2 miles in depth. A 3.8 Antofagasta, Chile. They've got it at 152.2 miles in depth. A 3.8 Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. A 4.0 Joaro, Mexico at 33.5 miles in depth. Another 4.0 Joaro, Mexico at 36.6 miles in depth. And a 3.0 Talaut, Indonesia. They've got that at 26.7 miles in depth. And as you heard from the alarm, they're still going off. So I will check those out, write them down, and get these to you at noon, okay? Wow, guys. Sending much love. You guys have yourself a great day. Please be safe out there, all right? 2 thumbs up for you. You guys are totally awesome. Have a great morning, great afternoon.